Okay, let's keep rolling here on week 12 and look at what Wednesday has in store for us with South Dakota. The bottom here it says, in which direction does Interstate Highway 90 run? So here is Interstate 90. It runs side to side or east to west. Okay, so that will be east and west. And then what U.S. highway runs through Mobridge? So let's see. You gotta find Mobridge on the map. Here it is, right up here. And that would be Highway 12. So that will be US 12. All right. Move on to the cooking. Jeff made a cake for dessert. The cake measured 10 inches by 10 inches. The cake was cut into 4 pieces that were the same size. What could be the size of each piece? Oh, now this is really interesting. So we have a cake here, 10 inches by 10 inches. All right. And he's going to cut them into 4 equal pieces. So most of us, when we're probably doing it, we would go just like this. Cut it long ways and then cut it like that. So that each piece, all right, if we cut this in half, that would be a 5 and a 5. All right, and a 5 and a 5. So each one of these pieces right here, all right, is going to be a 5 by 5. Right? So 5 inches by 5 inches. All right. What do we have now for Wednesday? Which word rhymes with shoe? Or which words? Glue, dove, do, overdue. There you have it. My favorite restaurant is Burger King. So let's capitalize the M in my favorite restaurant is, and because this is a specific name of a restaurant, we will capitalize it with a period at the end. The country that we are studying in social studies class is Italy. All right. The country that we are studying in social studies class is Italy. Period. Now, let's take a quick look here in this right here in social studies class. Because this is generic, all right, in math class or whatever, or in English class, because it's generic, it does not get capitalized. But if it was the specific name of a course, all right, we are studying in like world history, and in college they always have numbers at the end of it. So World History 101. All right. Then you get into situations where you would capitalize it. But if it's just the generic name of a class, a general name, then we do not capitalize that. Where does each event probably take place? John threw the ball to second base. Well, it's probably at a baseball diamond. Or at a baseball field. Or a baseball game. She fastened her seatbelt when she sat down. Most likely she's in a car. Although maybe you could say an airplane, but I bet you car, or truck, or van, or any of those things. All right, let's see what we have down here. Oh my goodness, 5,972 plus 0 is, you guessed it, 5,972. 5 times 6, 30. Color 3/8. All right, and remember what the fraction, that is part over whole. So what we have in this whole set is 8. And we want to color 3 of the 8. So we would color 3 of them. Doesn't matter which 3, just as long as 3 of them get colored. Write the missing numbers. We're going to go 256, 257, 258, 259, 260, and 261. Bananas are on sale. 2 for 25 cents. How much will 6 bananas cost? That's going to be 75 cents. Let's see what we have for our minute. 48. Circle the name of the shape. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 sides. That is an octagon. This is a right angle. And that is true. It is a right angle. A right angle forms a 90-degree angle, or what you would expect to see, like, for example, on the edge of a piece of paper. So if we take that like right there, and that edge of the paper, that is a 90-degree angle. 54 divided by 9 is 6. 1 pound equals 16 ounces, so 2 pounds is going to equal, well, it's going to be twice that, 32. For questions 5 and 6, would you choose ounces or pounds to weigh each one? All right, we're going to have ounces for a pencil because it's very light, and pounds for a big bag of dog food. What is the perimeter of the shape? Remember, perimeter goes around. All right, so if we start right here and we were to walk this, we'd go 3 centimeters, and then another 3 centimeters, and then 2 centimeters coming back. So 3 plus 3 plus 2 is equal to 8 centimeters. Carrie pays 49 cents for 7 gumballs. How much did each gumball cost? All right, so 49 cents total for the 7. That is a division problem. 49 divided by 7 equals 7 cents apiece. 6 plus 4, that's 10. 2, 3, 4. And 4. 440. Let's do some subtraction. We can take 0 from 6. We do not need to borrow. We cannot take 5 from 2. So we need to borrow 1 and add 1 to get 76. Write the verb with the correct tense of each sentence. Rachel just sharpened her pencil. Jamie surprised Lisa. The dog howled at the moon. She is whispering a secret in Vivian's ears. We will always celebrate Halloween each year. Chad talks No, he talked in his sleep last night. There was the key that made it past tense. The girl cried after the boy pulled her hair. Dave still watches the same show every day. Courtney yelled loudly. No, she yells loudly when she wants something. And Penny rested this afternoon after running in the race. I circled the words for you. You can write them into the lines. And that will bring us to the end of Wednesday and our morning work. Great job. See you soon.